Hello everybody, my name is Khaled Siddiqui, and in this video we are going to learn how to install and do the setup of the Ring camera. This is the Ring Spotlight Cam Plus. Ring Spotlight Cam Plus. Now there are a lot of videos that show how to install this in the wall. That's something very simple. It's just a couple of screws. Anybody can do it. What is really important is how to connect this to your Ring account and set it up with your phone. That's what we're learning today. So let's get started. The unit comes in a sealed box, and this is how you open it. And once you open it, you have the base. You have the actual, let me remove these pieces of plastic. You have the actual camera wrapped in white plastic, and you have the hardware and the screws and whatnot. Let's see. All the wiring hardwares and screws. Let me take them out so you can see what comes with it. So let's see. It comes with a lot of hardware, to be honest. There's a lot of hardware, so you could, run the wires all around the house and still not run out of the mounting screws and whatnot. Okay, and there's still something inside. There is still something inside. Oh, there you go. A little, very special screw. Okay. And that special screw is this screw, which opens and closes. This twist is. You open this and this twist is open. I'll teach you once I get to that. So it comes with a little warning sticker for your window, and obviously the instructions manual, and nothing else here. These are just packing materials. So let me get these out of the table. And here, what do we have here? We have a very long wiring harness, which is good. This is really good because you need a very long wiring harness. So that's what comes with this out of the box. Now let's learn how to program it with your phone and add it to your Ring account. If this is the only camera you have to download the Ring app on your phone. This is how you open this. And this is basically the mounting mechanism that goes inside this. And this part, this is very easy. I mean, this is a no-brainer. You put 4 screws here. You make 4 screws in the wall. Use your, if you have drywall, you use these drywall supports, and you mount it. And then this guy simply slides on top of it. It's simple as that. You simply slide it on top like this. Watch, like that. See? Let me go to a different camera angle. See? Very simple, very, very simple. And that's how you install it. So for example, this is in the wall with the 4 screw, and then you take this, put it up, and then slide it down. But you have to make sure you align it, and the way you align it is these 2 and these 2 go to these notches. So that's how you align it. Make sure that those are aligned. This is top, this is bottom. So you go like this, and then come down. and then right here is where the wire goes for the cable. That's simple. That's where the notch is for the wire. You can let the wire feed from this end or from this end. Okay, now how do you open this? You take a Phillips screwdriver, just a Phillips right here, twist it and open it. Let's do that. Then you twist this way. See how, let me go to a different camera now. These are the things that needs to be shown close up. See, you open this screw, right? And then you twist it like that. And that's how you open it. If you want to power it with a power supply, you don't need batteries. But if you want to use batteries, you need two. You can put up to 2 batteries in this. Yeah, it takes up to 2 batteries. So let's plug it in and set it up. Okay, so I plug this in, and right here is where the wire goes in. Right here. Like that. That's how the wire goes in. And there it is, turning on. Now I have to open my Ring app. So you open your Ring app right here. Let's get this aside. Now we are looking at the Ring app, okay? Okay, so once you open your dashboard, if you have an account, this is for people who already have an account. If not, you have to create one. But once you open your dashboard, you go right here, right here. You see those 3 lines? You click here, and then you click on Devices, and then you click on the plus sign, which is set up a device, or you could always set up a device, click here. But the plus sign is the same thing. So you go set up a device, and it's asking you what kind of device it is. Is it a lock? Is it a chime? Is it a camera? So it's a security camera. So now we are ready to scan the little barcode here. We're going to scan that. I'm ready to scan. It's having a hard time focusing for some reason. Okay, finally it focused and it recognized it. It's installing it, and now it's asking if I want it in that location. Yes, continue. Let me straighten the phone here. So it says where it is. I call it stairway. Stairway. I don't even know if I spelled stairway. Done. Continue. I have removed the film. Electrical socket. So it says that it's very important that if you're using the wired option, that the wire has to be always plugged in. You have to switch to battery mode if you want to have batteries and whatnot. So this is self-explanatory. It's saying that you cannot use a different power cord, just the one that came with it, because this around this right here, it's watertight. Other cords will allow rainwater to go inside. Remember, this is an outdoor camera. Okay. So what does it say? Grab my Wi-Fi password. Okay, so I have my password. I'm near the device.
Now connected to the Ring app.
So this is now connected. So I had to refresh it. I want to connect it to this one. So now I'm going to enter my password. Obviously I will pause the video. Okay, password entered.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Just a moment.
So it's connected to Wi-Fi. And there it says
Now
stairway.
installing an update. This may take several minutes.
So now it's installing an update, which may take several minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and pause the video again. I don't want you guys to be waiting for the update. So I clicked continue. Let me go back here. I clicked continue and it says share this device, skip for now, start tutorial if you want. I've already installed it. This tutorial is about how to install it in the wall, which you can watch, but it's like I said, it's very simple. Optimize motion you could do. I've already made a video on this. You can watch my other video that shows about when you're away, when you're at home and all that. Skip for now. I'm done. And okay, so upstairs stairway, installing updates. As soon as the update is done, the image will appear here, but right now it's installing update, so it's not showing anything. This is my Ring doorbell, and this is the one that's on the hallway, and this is the outside door. So it's installing the update. Let's wait for the update to finish. Okay, so a sound came from this that says setup successful. A voice came out. However, the update is still installing, and in order to see the progress of the update, if you click here, right here it says stairway is installing an update, and this could take up to 15 minutes. So it is still installing the updates. 15 minutes hasn't ended. But there it is. Looks like the update ended, and there I am in front of that camera. Right here, that's my face. So it's working. But it's kind of slow. I don't know. Let me see. Let me go to live. Oh, there it is. No, it's not slow. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. It's not bad at all. There is like half a second delay. See, like if I move my hand, there's a half a second delay. I don't know if that's important or not, but it is what it is. See? Yeah, about a half a second delay. That's as good as it gets, but there it is. You can end live, and you could installing the updates. 15 minutes hasn't. Yeah, so that's the recording. And yeah, so I'm gonna close that, and there are the cameras. Alright, so it was pretty straightforward, pretty easy, but I'm gonna install this. I don't think it's necessary to create a video and waste your time showing me making 4 holes and installing this in the wall. Anybody can do it. Average Joe can do it. You know, average Joe can do it, you can do it. Alright, thank you for watching.